Okay, this is the Learning the Avidyne Atlas video series. This is Lesson 4, Basic GPS Navigation, Entering a Flight Plan. Atlas makes entering, editing, and flying flight plans a simple and easy task. In this lesson, we will enter a simple flight plan and review some of the useful features you would use during this procedure. For this scenario, let's assume we received the following clearance from Chicago Executive PWK to Oshkosh Airport via the Badger VOR. Climb and maintain 6,000, expect 16,000 after 10. Departure frequency 120.55, squawk 4321. Let's load this simple flight plan into the Atlas FMS. At startup, we see our origin airport, in this case, KPWK, Chicago Executive. We can bring up the FMS menu by tapping on the blank area of the touchscreen. We want to enter a waypoint, which is the default option. So you push in on the right knob or push enter, then enter the first waypoint, BAE, then push the right FMS knob to enter or push the enter key. Now let's push the FMS knob to add a waypoint again, and let's enter our destination airport, KOSH, and hit enter. Touching the Map side tab allows us to view the Flight Plan Plus Map page, giving us a full view of our flight plan from Chicago Exec to Oshkosh. Using the FMS page rocker switch, we can move through each of the tabs, left and right, to get additional information as needed. We can hit the Map page button to view the full screen map. We are in North Up view right now. Pushing the right FMS knob switches the map to Forward View Track Up, 360 View Track Up, and back to 360 degree view North Up. Use LSK2 to declutter the off-route nav data from the map. There are 3 levels of declutter. LSK3 is used to declutter the base map, removing terrain, then roads and rivers, and finally all water and political boundaries. Press and hold the left or right side of the map page button to bring up the map plus data blocks. Tuning the optional VHF comm radio can be done by turning the left inner knob for kilohertz and outer knob for megahertz. Or the easier method is to use the frequency nomination key and select the desired frequency from the nomination list. You can scroll with the right FMS knob and push the knob to select, or you can simply double tap on the desired frequency to load it into the standby window. When connected to a remote transponder, simply push the left tuning knob twice to bring up the transponder data block. Touching the transponder code window brings up the remote transponder control panel. Use the touchscreen or the keyboard to enter the squawk code, in this case 4321, then hit the Alt key to enable. Climbing out, we can switch to the Map page TAWS tab. The magenta line will come in view as we climb through 1,000 feet AGL on the synthetic vision display. Touch the Map side tab or press and hold the Map page button to bring up the data blocks. Press and hold again to retract the data blocks, based on your preference. In the event of an emergency, or to simply find a nearby airport, press the nearest key. We can scroll through the list and tune the optional comm radio with the Atlas's Quick Tune feature. Clicking on the blue Info button brings up information on that particular airport, including comm frequencies, runway lengths, available approaches, etc. On the Flight Plan Nearest page, we can see a list of the nearby airports, and as we scroll through the list, the selected airport is highlighted on the map with a cyan circle, making it much easier for identification. And that covers Lesson 4, Basic GPS Navigation, Entering a Flight Plan. Be sure to check out all the other Atlas FMS videos shown here as well.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to pilotsupport@avidyne.com. Have a great day and fly safe, everyone.